Africa Content TV.
Empowerment and governance reform. He has spearheaded the construction of strategic roads, including the Yenebo, Pasuma, and Sagama Ekeremon roads, facilitated the operation of Bayelsa International Airport, and initiated the rehabilitation of over 50 roads within Yenebo metropolis. The education, his government established technical college across all local government areas and secured accreditation for several tertiary institutions, significantly improving the state's education ranking through initiatives like Tiri Boost and targeted agricultural programs. He continues to empower thousands of youths and women economically. He is a champion of institutional reform, having streamlined government ministries, promoted transparency through key legislation such as the fiscal responsibility and procurement amendment bills. His efforts at environmentally sustainability and energy development are underscored by the ongoing development of an independent power plant to serve Bayelsa State. His Excellency is a recipient of numerous awards, including the 2024 Africa Leadership Magazine's Best Performing Governor, South-South Nigeria, and currently serves as the chairman of the South-South Governors Forum. Governor Tiri's leadership is rooted in humility, strategic foresight, and people-first philosophy. As he continues to serve with vision and compassion, he remains a beacon of hope, not only to Bayelsa State, but also to the broader Nigerian landscape. Your Excellencies and all your fathers, distinguished and eminent personalities, I present to you Executive Governor of Bayelsa State, His Excellency, Senator Taye Currency. A round of applause for him, please.